Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 25 of 3 words and expressions of a handwritten day. Review first. 走开，走开 go away. 变态，变态 abnormal. 问答，问答 question and answer. 饼干，饼干 cookie. 糖果，糖果 candy. 鲜花，鲜花 flower. 酒店，酒店 hotel. 银行，银行 bank. 新闻，新闻 news. Okay, today we are going to learn 快递，下单，包裹。快递，快递 means express delivery. Express delivery 快递。快递，快 means fast. 弟，弟 younger brother. 快递 delivery express delivery. The second one 下单，下单 means place an order. Delivery will be arranged in 2 days after order placed. 下单，下单。Third one 包裹，歌乌窝果包裹 means package or parcel. Package 包裹。They have received your package. 他们已经收到你的包裹了。包裹，果，包裹，包，果。包裹 package 快递，快递，快递 express delivery 下单，下单，下单 place order 包裹，包裹，包裹 package. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.